G'day, fellow RC pilots, Kiwi Craig here. Anyway, mucking around with the Line 250 MD500, which I've got a 230S wedged into with a whole lot of mods to make it all work nicely. Has my 2627 AliExpress motor mod, which gives it a lot more power. Now, in order to get the swash and everything fitting without having to cut the doghouse, which most guys wind up doing, use a V950 swash. It's short across all the legs. Then what you have to do is move all these servo balls in one hole to get all the linkage ratios right, but then straight 230S or 250 CFX rotor head on top. Uses the same 4mm ball size, so it all ties up quite nicely and don't have to cut the top of the fuselage doghouse, which was the real aim there. Another mod that I'm running is my micro heli 4-inch tail blades. These are a lot quieter, they give about 50% more thrust. You don't get the screaming tail like you do with the standard tail blades. Now I'm running 250 CFX main blades here, so 245 carbon fibres, flies real nice on those. Motor's got plenty of poke. 1800 battery, not because I need the capacity, it's just these batteries are really long. It just helps move the centre of gravity forward, otherwise it tends to be quite tail heavy. Even so, still a little block of lead in underneath there, as you can see, right? I wedged that in there to help with the CFG. That's about another 30 grams. Anyway, enough talking, I'll just button everything up and we'll take it for a little whiz around. Taking a bit of flying time to get used to the really long undercarriage legs on these things. Feels really weird when you're coming into land, etc. I think you guys agree, it's flying nice. It's also flying at 85% rates with about 20% expo dialed in. Still has a really nice turn of speed at 100%. She's actually quite agile and very quick. If you guys have watched the earlier videos of me flying this, all you can hear is a screaming tail. Now with that micro heli 4-inch 2-blade on, tail's nice and quiet and composed. I'm really liking these 2627 AliExpress silver can motors. I mean, for 10 bucks they're just an absolute bargain. Have really good power, run really smooth. I've got 7 of these motors flying now. Each one has been absolutely superb. I have to admit, I really do like the MD500 shape for flying. Looks absolutely great cruising around the park. I'm going to swap it over to a three-blade head into in the future. I really like how the three-blade heads fly and sound. This is the latest combination from Micro Heli with the short, thin carbon fibre main blades and the three-blade head setup. It's actually a really nice combo for scale flying. Wish I could get a 5-blade head from somewhere, but that's pretty well unobtainium these days. The 1800 battery gives a really easy peasy 6 minutes, probably even push to 7 plus, no problem, coming down at like 3.8 volts at 6-7 minutes fly time. And there's no lack of power or response either, which is really nice. Excuse me for the cough, but been battling COVID all week. Been crook as a dog for the last week. This is the first day I actually feel half reasonable, and it's a nice day, so to hell with it. Get out of the house and go flying. Alright, bring her in, we'll set her down. Gee, pretty average here, Craig. Right, stop mucking around. I'll take that. I think you guys all agree. Really nice looking helicopter, the MD500 shell. A killer egg, whatever you want to call it. Awesome. Kiwi Craig, over and out.